Hey everyone, John Hunter here from School of Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at a wave pattern short here. Let me get my target in place, moving kind of quick here. 09 to 10 and 98. We'll go to 99, and yeah, we already got that first target taken out. Sorry, I just kind of jumped straight into this one pretty quick here. Looking at this wave pattern short on crude oil, we had this just big movement pretty much all day. If I'm honest, we've been kind of all over the place. Generally, it's a relatively up day after the Globex session just was a rocket ship. I mean, we opened up the day before the market even opened at 9 o'clock. We were already up almost $4. So I mean, we've had a huge rise higher and a little bit of profit taking back down again. We faded off of those highs, and we're just seeing a little bit of correction back and forth now. So where I'm entering in, I'm looking for this wave pattern just to go right back down to the low side. We had this nice kind of topping formation here. We weren't breaking high, and now we started just breaking straight back down again. I'm looking for this to reverse right back to the lows. So right now, entered in short. It was a little bit early. It wasn't a picture perfect wave pattern, but the situation that was kind of arising made it look really nice for a short trade. Plus that exact double top up at 47 made it look even better. So definitely some reasons to like the short side here. Now we're short 4 contracts initially at 26. Now it hit the first target really fast. It wasn't a big target by any means. It was only 5 ticks coming off at 21. But from there, we're looking at a secondary target of the extension down here at 10. That'll give us 16. And then the follow-up one, if it pushes down past that, we're looking at the final target at 49.99. Because 50's right there, well, we'll target 50. Let's do 50.01 just to be safe. So 50.01, again, just to kind of prevent a situation that, it hits 50.01 in that area and then never comes back. So we'll go 25 ticks on the final target there. So overall locked in 2 at 5, that gives us 10. And then we're looking at 16 more, so it'll be 26 and another 25. So we'll be looking at a pretty solid trade in terms of profitability. 4 contracts for 51 ticks. So far it's moving pretty quick, so not going to be too upset about that. Nice little trade down. But so far, we've got our first target locked in. Stop goes to break even, and now we're just waiting for the push lower. All right, there we go. Got that nice push into that second target there. So we got locked in 16 ticks now on that second target on top of the 10 that we've already got. So we're sitting on 26, looking for some more continuation to the downside. We're getting a little bit of bouncing in here. So I want to find a place that I can move my stop in. We'll go to 20 for right now and just kind of keep an eye on it. We're just seeing that kind of continued push lower, and we really don't want to give it a ton of room to come back on us. So we'll leave it at 20 right now. That does lock in 6 extra ticks, and that puts us kind of right back around the EMA again, so that's not too bad. And then looking for the final target at 50.01. Again, we're just front running it a little bit to be safe. Don't really want to see it, come at 50.05 or, it come down to 50.01 or 50 and then bounce without hitting us at 49.98. So locking our target in a little bit closer, definitely not a bad idea in that sense. So just looking for a little bit more continuation. Got 2 targets out. Stop is locked in at 6, and we'll see if we can get that push lower. All right, there we go. Got that target filled. Beautiful. Just an awesome example of kind of what you're looking for. You can see prices just coming up to these highs and just stalling. You have a nice new high, a weaker high, double top, and then failure. You're just seeing it top out up here. You can see it kind of rounding off. It comes back, gives you a nice little pullback, and you sell it right back down again. Just a beautiful wave pattern short. So all in all, 4 contracts, 51 ticks, 510 on the trade. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Have a good one.